Hi everyone, Rodel Flordeliz here and welcome to Nognog in the City Unboxing. For today, we are highlighting this newest gadget released by Huawei, called the Huawei Matepad Pro.
A premium tablet that is considered as a response of Huawei to Apple's iPad Pro. We all know that Huawei has been making tablets ever since, but the release of this premium tablet just elevated competition.
Anyway, let's open the box and check this awesome gadget.
Huawei's packaging looks pretty premium in its white textured box. Upon opening, the awesome 10.8 inches tablet will say hi to you. The Huawei Matepad Pro got a 2560 by 1600 resolution. It features a premium aluminum body with a gorgeous curved corners. What I got is the midnight gray color, coated with sleek glass fiber. Another option is the pearl white, while people who loves vegan leather will definitely enjoy the forest green and the refreshing orange options. With a 90% screen-to-body rate, the Matepad Pro got a very thin bezel around the screen, which comparably smaller than the iPad Pro. Power button is located at the top and the volume rocker on the side next to the power button. Matepad Pro is also equipped with an 8-megapixel front camera and a 30-megapixel rear camera. Both have autofocus functionality. Listening to music and movies will be very satisfying with 2 speakers located each on both sides. The unit is also equipped with 5 microphones, all with noise reduction functionality. Inside, a Kirin 990 processor powers the Matepad Pro with 6GB RAM and 128GB UFS 3.0 storage. There is a nano memory card available where you can put a micro SD card and a nano SIM side by side. Expansion card can support up to 256GB max. The unit got a built-in 7250 mAh lithium polymer battery and supports 50 watts wireless and up to 7.5 watts reverse wireless charging. You can enjoy the free wireless charging and power up other gadgets on the go as well. Also included in the box are the charger, Type-C data cable, a 3.5mm headset jack, and an EJECT pin. Optional accessories can be bought as well. What I got are the Huawei Smart Magnetic Keyboard, priced at 6,990 pesos, and the Huawei M Pencil that can be bought for 4,990 pesos. We'll talk more about the gadget very soon. The Huawei Matepad Pro is priced at 32,990 pesos.
For more information about Huawei Matepad Pro, you can visit my website www.nognoginthecity.com. Do not forget to put a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Until the next one, this is Rodel Flordeliz.